Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can automatically match cut your audio on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab a video where it has like an audio. I'm just going to, you don't need to, but it's better if you just extract the audio so you can see it better. Select the audio. Actually, I do think you have to extract it. Select the audio and you're just going to select the auto beat. And you can either select beat 1 or beat 2. This is very helpful if you're creating a velocity video edit. You can also like go through the beats and like delete them by pressing the what is the button for it? The Control J button to remove it. And to add it, you can press Control J again. You can even add in more if you'd like to in between the beats, but that's basically how you can match cut your audio and stuff. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!